My name is Thuso Ramoetelo, and I'm a financial manager at a small company in Pretoria. I'm going to talk you through a profession in accountancy, or how to obtain an accounting degree, the benefits thereof. And for that, I have a few questions that I'm going to answer. Hopefully, by the end of the fifth question, you will have a better idea of what I do and what it takes to do what I do. Okay, so the first question is, what are the minimum admission requirements to get into accountancy or accounting? So I did my accounting degree at the University of Pretoria. So the minimum requirements, obviously accounting is a numbers-based qualification profession, if you will. So you need to be able to do maths. So mathematics is very important. And also accounting itself. Obviously, when you study accounting, you need to be able to do accounting. But fortunately, the University of Pretoria has an admissions test that you can do if you didn't study accounting, or if you feel like your accounting mark was a bit low at high school. So you can write an admissions test, and then you can still make it into the program. I'd say, to be safe, you should probably be getting about 70% for both those subjects. I think accounting is within business studies now, or something like that. I forgot. I'm not too sure about what the different subjects are these days, but we used to have accounting as a separate subject back in the day. Which institutions company offers the course or the learnership or apprenticeship? So it depends on what you want to do with your accounting degree. So obviously your accounting degree you will obtain at the university. So most universities will offer an accounting degree. UP, UJ, VETS, etc. You can name them. They will offer an accounting degree. And if you want to be a chartered accountant, you have to study at a SAICA accredited university. So SAICA is the South African Institute of Chartered Accountants, and they control, or they're the controlling body for chartered accountants. They accredit universities based on their accounting syllabus, and they match it with their SAICA requirements. And if you can pass that program, that means you can go on to register as a chartered accountant after passing a few exams and doing a couple of other things. I'm unfortunately not a chartered accountant. I would have loved to be one, but due to various reasons, I never got there. But yeah, once you get your degree, you can then register your articles, which takes me to my next question. How long did it take you to get employed after completing your training? Okay, so my training after getting this degree included doing articles for 3.5 years at an audit firm, which is also SAICA accredited, because when you're doing your articles, you're trying to become a chartered accountant. So I did my articles at a firm in Pretoria. After that, I was lucky enough to have a job waiting for me. I got a job about a month before I finished off my articles. So I was just waiting for the passage of time, and then I joined this company, and I'm still working there today. It's been 5 years now. Can you give us a brief description of your day-to-day activities at work? Okay, so I'm a financial manager at the company that I work for now. So which means our company is small, so that means I do all of the finance function. I do from the basics like bookkeeping. So I will capture transactions. I will capture transactions from the bank account and various other source documents. I do the accounting as well. So the accounting involves financial reporting, and reporting is obviously based on the international financial reporting standards, and that's pretty exciting stuff. You see how excited I get when I talk about that. And I also do financial management. Financial management is more of a broader uh, umbrella of finance. So it has to do with management of finances beyond accounting. So it involves talking to the lenders, so the people who have given the company money. Obviously, we owe them; they haven't given it to us. But yeah, so stuff like that. So making sure that the stakeholders are happy, and I also talk to the shareholders, and I make sure that they are at ease regarding their investment in the company, and I keep them up to date about what's happening with the finances of the company, how healthy the finances are. So every day, that's what I do. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it actually takes a lot of time to just get through all of that on a daily basis. My last question is, what is your motto in life, or words that you would share with a grade 11 or 12 learner? Okay, so I'm not big on mottos. I am a very happy-go-lucky kind of guy. I just type of go with the flow. But if I was to give you advice right now as a grade 11 or 12 learner, is that please, whatever you do, don't let anyone decide for you what your career will be. Okay, your career is exactly that, yours. You are going to be the only one who does this thing on a daily basis. So you best choose something that you are passionate about, something that makes you happy, something that brings you joy and makes you smile. It's kind of tough to know what that is in grade 11 or 12, but I would say go with your best bet. The worst thing you can do is to let anyone choose for you, because if someone chooses something for you and you don't like it and you kind of stuck there, you're going to be pretty miserable. So choose something that you feel like you can do forever, because it's very rare that you're able to change your career halfway through your life. So yeah, that is me. I hope that helps a bit. If it doesn't help, I'll do another video for you. Just let me know what I should address specifically with regards to accounting. I don't have too much time, so I can't say too much. Thank you for the platform. Yes.